everyone, welcome to my channel HarshitaGizmo. Don't forget to watch the video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So today we will learn two things. How to set up WhatsApp web in your internet browser and how to set up WhatsApp desktop software in your PC. Open your internet browser and type whatsapp.com. Click on WhatsApp web from the top menu. Now open your WhatsApp app in your mobile and open menu setting in the top right corner and scan this QR code from the scanner which appears. After you scan, your WhatsApp web will load in the web. We can also log out through this. If you want to stay logged in, then click on keep me signed in so that next time you open WhatsApp web, it will log in you automatically. Let's see how to set up WhatsApp desktop software. Open whatsapp.com again. Go to Downloads tab in the top menu. Then click on Download for Windows here. It will take some time and download the file. Now click on the three dots at the top and select Downloads. Then click Show in Folder and after that run the downloaded file. After installing, your WhatsApp will open automatically like this. Now you have to log in through your phone using the same steps I explained previously. First, open the top menu on the top right corner of your phone, then select Settings and then WhatsApp web. Make sure you have click this checkbox so that you remain signed in. After logging in, your WhatsApp will open in the desktop app. You can also log in from here if you want to. Thank you for watching my video. Hope it was useful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified each time.